Today, PCs for People is celebrating the grand reopening of its West Side retail location. PCs for People is a national nonprofit that sells refurbished technology to low-income families. Local businesses like Progressive and CMSD donate gently used technology to the organization to fix and sell in its retail stores. The Lorraine Avenue spot was closed after a mechanical fire last year, but today they're ready to help people get connected.
I think it's arguable that today being connected to the internet is like having lights or gas. It is a necessity. I think that we can't look at being connected as a luxury. It is something that people need.
In addition to low-cost technology, the organization also sells internet services. The store will be open every Tuesday and Thursday from 10 in the morning until 5 in the evening.
The Cleveland Fire Department is reminding everyone about the dangers of carbon monoxide. The odorless, colorless gas can build up in our homes due to faulty furnaces, poorly vented gas appliances, fireplaces, or vehicle exhaust, and cause flu-like symptoms. Cleveland Fire is working with the Western Reserve Fire Museum to raise money for new smoke and CO detectors for the community.
Well, early warning is critical because the expansion of a fire inside a room is actually exponential. So within 3 to 6 minutes, a fire can envelop a room, and before that can kill occupants.
Firefighters will also be installing those detectors free of charge. You can learn how to request one right now on our News 5 app.